Hello, my name is Sheikh Zubair Ahmed. My topic is visual question answering with question representation update. The main objective of VQ system are to create assistive technologies which helps visually impaired individuals to interact with the world, and the second objective is human computer interaction to create intelligent interfaces for digital assistants. And the third objective is content based retrieval, which is used to enhance systems uh, that retrieves visual context. As you can see on the screen, to train the VQA systems, visual question answering dataset is being used. It consists of overall like 4,43,757 questions and 82,783 images. Yeah, it is showing that there are like 82,783 images and which are high resolution images. To train these images, the high resolution images, we need lot of computation power. So to avoid this thing or to use minimal resources, the images are being resized to 224 cross 224, which is shown which is done locally, as the overall dataset size is more than 13 GB, which is unable to be done in the Google Colab. As you can see on the screen, is this code is used to resize the images locally, and which is being uploaded to Google Drive for training the model on Google Colab. Now coming on to the Google Colab code, here the data is being like pre-processed. The questions, the annotations, and the mapping of the questions with the answers and the images, which is done in the pre-processing stage. So pre-processing functions are very crucial for preparing raw data into structured format that can be efficiently used for training and evaluating the models, like VQA models. So here a tokenizer, which is the function showing the tokenizer, is used to tokenize the questions, and the method like match top answers to like match the top answers. And these are the methods which are used for preprocessing the raw data into a structured format. Then coming on to the VQA dataset, actually a data loader are being created using the preprocessed data. A data loader is needed to efficient load data into manageable batches, which helps in optimized training and for the shuffling of the data. So you can see the data loader code over here. And a vocabulary is used to create the vocabulary of the question and answers. Okay, then coming on to the main part of the code is image encoder, question encoder, and the VQA system. So in this, I have trained on two VQA models, one with the attention mechanism and another with non-attention mechanism. So in this video, I am going to discuss only on the VQA model with attention mechanism. Here, the code for question encoder is being showed. The question encoder process text questions by first converting words into embeddings, then passes the embeddings through an LSTM model to capture the sequential information. And the output of the LSTM models are like hidden and the cell states, which are being concatenated and then flattened into fixed feature size to maintain the uniformity and to handle variable length questions, as the question sizes are not it can be varying. So to keep the uniformity, the the feature size, the feature which are extracted using the questions are being maintained uniform, the feature vector size. And the next comes the image encoder. Okay, the image encoder VGG19 pre-trained model is used to extract the features, and the feature size is adjusted using 1 cross 1 convolution. Okay. Mm, in the image, the objects can be in any part of the image, like it can be in any region. So the images are divided into smaller regions, as we can focus on that particular part instead of like focusing on the image, on the entire image. So the image is being like divided into regions, then flattened for the like attention mechanism to focus on that. Then comes the VQA attention model. Yeah, VQA model combines the features which are being extracted from the image encoder and the question encoder, and an attention mechanism is used to capture weights over uh, uh, compute weights of the image regions based on the questions, focusing on the relevant areas. The attention image features and the question features are combined to predict the answer. So now, as the dataset is very huge, so when training on the whole dataset, the training is getting stuck, or like it is getting like terminated abruptly. To avoid those and to train the model on the whatever the resources available, so the questions are being limited to like or like being made limited to 50,000 for training and 10,000 for the validation, as you can see on the screen. And this is the code for training the VQA model. So in this, Adam optimizer is used with a learning rate of 0.001 and a scheduler to change the learning rate based on the like mm, based on the training progress. And a cross entropy loss is used to calculate the loss which is getting reduced over the training time. And the model is trained for like 50 epochs, as you can see, and an early stopping mechanism is used to see whether the model is like learning or it is like not learning. So you can see the training progress over here. In the initial stage, the training loss is like 4.49, which is approximately 4.5, and at the end of like 38 epochs, the training loss is 2.12. Oh, this is for the attention mechanism, and in the non-attention mechanism, the loss is very high. Okay, and the all the pre-processed data and models are being saved over here. These are the models which are saved for like 30 epochs. The one with ATTN are for the attention mechanism and the best model after training the attention mechanism, and this is the model without the attention mechanism. And then here are the like pre-processed data, like annotation vocabulary and question vocabulary, train validation sets. Okay, oh, sec- okay. And the pre-processed images are being stored over here. And control. Okay, the structure of the data looks like this. The pre-processed structure looks like this. The image path, the question, and the tokenized question, the question ID, and the valid answers. Now coming on to the UI part. So here a Gradio module is used to create the user interface, which is like used best suitable to host and model in the Hugging Face. So here you can see the main part of the Gradio code and the interface. Okay, now jumping on to the user interface, just clear. Here is the user interface, which looks like this. Just click to upload to add an image. Just we can select the image and click on the open, and the image is getting is uploaded. Then you can ask the question over here like what is in the image, then click on the submit. It shows a was. Okay, now let's try with another image. Okay, just okay is the plane flying. Mm, so I have asked the question yes or no type of question. Is the airplane flying? And the model predicted it as yes. Let's try with another image. Let me pick some other image. So I have uploaded a image with a red car. I'm asking like what is the COL of the car? So when I just submit, it should show the answer as red, and it is showing the answer as red. Mm, so this is the interface, and these are the all the files which are being uploaded in the Hugging Face to create that interface. So here is the model, best model, which is trained after the attention using the attention mechanism. Here is the model.py code, which consists of the image encoder with attention mechanism, question encoder, and the VQA model with the attention. This is like model.py code. Okay, and app.py, so which is using the Gradio interface. Here the model like best model, and the question vocabulary answers like vocabulary, and the VQA model with attention, and the model is getting loaded. So here is the code for interface, for this interface. Yeah, thank you.